Okay guys, welcome to the channel, and here we are in On Shape, just to show you quickly the slam latch I've designed. And I wanted to buy some for my electric surfboard because I've got some metal ones, but I've only got 4. I need 8, and they're quite expensive. So here's the latch, and I'll put everything on. There's the latch pull ring, the slider mechanism, catch, there's a bottom plate, screw plate, and then the clip. Obviously this clips to this on whatever you put it on. So this is available on Thingiverse, guys, so I'll leave a link in the description. If not, you can search Waysider or 4.4 centimeter slam latch on Thingiverse, and I'm sure you'll find this, but I'll try and link this into this video in the description. Okay, so let's print this out and I'll give you a look at the end. Okay guys, so fresh off the printer, the latch, I'll just take you through taking off the infill supports. It's just a couple of bits to sort of know. All I do, you've got this center section here, alright, grab a pair of pliers, grab that, sort of twist and pull. Comes off fairly easy. Well, on my printer anyway, it comes off fairly well. And then with the same sort of pair of pliers, you've got these 2 little flappers at the front here. Grab them. Through the front there's 2 sort of bits of infill still there. Now all I do is give it a quick little twistage and then pull. It's quite tough, but there, that slides out then. Okay. So now you've got an empty space in the, where the slider goes. All right. You've got your slider. That goes in there. Give that a couple of slides just to make sure we're slipping. Okay, that can go in there just to get that going. Take that back out. You've got a little bit of infill sort of support around the edge. That peels off also. The other little bits are just above where the screw bolts go. And grab them with the pliers, give them a tug. They come off also just pretty easily. Now, just to make sure, take a round file and just poke that through there. And there's a little bit more come out of the hole. Okay, get rid of them. And that's it for the supports. We're clean, comes out fairly well, that. Also with a little round file where the little pin goes through the latch, give that a little twistage in there, open that up a little bit, take it easy, it's not super solid, but just open that up so the pin sort of goes through there easier. Okay, and then you've also got your latch. I do the same thing. And then what you need is a little 15mm or 16, these are 16mm long spring, 0.6mm diameter. Okay, 0.5 wire. That slips in there first, then your slider goes in. Alright, now that's sprung loaded. Okay. And then the latch, top latch goes on. I haven't cleaned up around the edge here, but you sort of need to sort of go in with a knife and just clear off a little bit of the overhang where it's been on the bed. I won't do that right now, but that's what you got to do. And then I use a nail. Alright, I cut a nail down. 2.2mm nail, and then hopefully that slips in there. Alright. That's gone right through now, and that holds the latch ring puller. Okay, and then you just give it a few goes, and it gets easier as it beds in. So there we go, we've got that on, and as you pull the ring up, that sort of slides back. You see, all right. There's your ring. Okay, so the pin goes through, that holds everything together. Then you've got your base plate. Well, you've got your ring, and once you put it through something, you put your ring on. Okay, so here, for example, I've got my hatch. That'll go through there, bits in there, lovely jubbly. And then from the underside, I'll be putting the ring on. And then the base plate will go on there. And that'll hold that, then screw that, bolt that down to the hatch. I've still got to test these on the board. Okay, you've also got the clip, this bit, the bit that goes on the board, so this clips to, is also in the files. So obviously when you close the hatch, it clips over something. So the M4 bolts, you just get them going in the holes and create a thread by screwing that bolt in and out a few times for the bolt to lock up to. Alright, so there you go guys. This is available obviously on Thingiverse. It's a 4.4mm slam latch if you search that, or I'll leave the link in the description. And that's how that goes together. So hit those buttons for me guys if you like the video. Stick with me, there's more coming up. I've also got the capacitor bank up there, that's downloadable, and the jet drives will be obviously available at some point once I've done a bit of testing, make sure they're good. I'll see you on the next video guys, be good, keep it raw, keep it real, keep it wriggling.